I grew up in South Bend, entered Notre Dame, was a theater major, graduated in 1991, and wanted to change the world through theater. And that's what I did. Learning is social, learning is kinesthetic, learning is collaborative, learning is reflective. Learning is, in the 21st century, multimodal, and traditional teaching does not meet that need of our students. We have to change the way that we teach them. And because of that, arts integration is a wonderful way that meets the needs of all those students. So that's why I think the Kennedy Center Partnership Program is so important, and what you guys are doing at DeBartolo Performing Arts Center is incredibly important too, because that's how it gets spread. That's how people understand and know about it, is because other people are bringing in the resources to help educate and train our teachers. Basic building blocks for us are concentration, cooperation, and then self-regulation of their actors' tools, their body, their voice, their imagination. And so we know that we've got to give them a safe environment to explore and play and try these new behaviors to build those skills, as they're also then adapting and applying their information, their knowledge into the arts integration strategies. And we want to support and surround the teacher with as much time and resources so that they feel confident in utilizing those structures, because we know that that's going to live on, not just in the class that they have then, but also in years to come.
I have integrated the Actors Toolbox and the Concentration Circle. And when Aaron introduced these to me, they were new to me for the first time when I came to Pearlie. I was like, finally, I had this wash of relief that finally a professional artist took what we do as actors and has integrated it into an academic setting, because it is absolutely a universal language. We're teaching children that focus happens throughout their entire day. So yeah, they're standing in the music room using it on the risers, but they will have opportunities throughout their day and throughout their life to use it in different ways.
The Kennedy Center workshops help me reach my arts teaching goals, because it's difficult to find true arts integration conferences. And so we're very fortunate to have Notre Dame right down the street from us, where we can attend these workshops, teaching us new strategies, new ideas, materials to use, resources to use to enhance what we already have started with our arts integration. Students are very excited to do all the integration lessons that we have. They ask for it. They ask to do the concentration circle. They enjoy it. It's a fun way to challenge themselves and to see if they can level up to the next level. And they're asking me in the beginning of the day, are we doing moving through math today? Are you coming to our classroom for that?
And I love being able to impact lives and kids and people, and get to meet just amazing people across the country too, who are really in it because we love the kids and we believe that they deserve the best.